It's Rude, reusers of unloved discarded excess, and it's Rude Girl and Rude Boy here this morning. We've got machinery happening. What are you doing with my Elna Junior? You were very quiet and I thought, where are you?
Pulling it apart.
It has a music box.
Oh, that's what it's called.
That's right, and it doesn't play music.
No. I'll pull it apart like you do.
Like you do.
There, and you got 1, 2, 3, 4, and they're different sizes. You just lift this up here like that, and exposes all that.
Inner workings.
And there's your little plate, which fits in there. And there's the culprit there. I'll probably take it out, maybe sort of seized a little bit from not being used.
And I have had it threaded, you can see here, and it actually sews, doesn't it? And it sews quite well. Just found out though it does need special needles. Singer 24 times 1K, and I don't think it has one of those in it. But it still sews. And you found a hair clip inside. Amazing. Pity you found no money. Well, I'll leave you to it.
Thank you.
Tinkering away. Little Elna Junior. That is so cute.
Bit of spray. Just didn't want to move, so, and of course you had to work out which way all the gears went, and I just used my finger to free it up.
I'm glad you pulled apart your train set all those years ago. Well done, that's so pretty.
So she'll go, I'll put it back in there.
Thanks, Rude Boy.
That's okay.
That is so pretty. You are so clever, Rude Boy.
Thank you.
You're the best tinkerer in the whole wide world. Music box is finished because Rude Boy isn't here and he's got to actually turn and crank it for me with the pliers until we get a little knob that I can use to turn it with. So I'm not going to use the pliers because I might do some damage. But I've made some of these squares. So it just gives you an idea of what a child could achieve with a little machine like this. Or even what an adult could achieve. It's just quite sweet to be able to do this. Makes me smile of what this little junior is capable of doing. It is the sweetest thing. I'm really looking forward to our little granddaughters having a go. Actually, we had to laugh. Our local library has actually banned sewing machines. We have to laugh. Could you imagine this little machine being banned? It's a bit ludicrous, isn't it? A bit ridiculous. It's unfortunate because children miss out on maybe experiencing some of these simpler ways of doing things. It's all technology. That's what they're interested in. Bring laptops in, bring scooters in actually. Yeah, recreational scooters, but not something like this. So go figure. I don't know what I'm doing here. As far as the pattern, I haven't really thought much about it. Just wanted to give it a go and show you what is possible, that you could make a little doll's cot patchwork blanket. There we go, light on a different, there we go, that's nice. The stitch on this is quite strong, it's a chain stitch at the back, just to give you an idea. There we go, pulling that. So the way the City of Melton look at it is that this sort of junior sewing machine is high risk machinery. I think the bureaucrats don't know what they're talking about. Well, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching our story of the little junior Elna. It's a pleasure to have restored it.